Our Christmas is more of our formal meal. So Thanksgiving, we make like, it's literally enchiladas, tacos. For real though, it really is.
That's cool. I like that. Yeah. And our family, usually my family's been traveling a lot for Thanksgiving, believe it or not.
I mean, all my family's here.
So basically, the Landreneau family decides to invite Bray J over to meet
basically,
enchiladas.
For enchiladas.
Map out
For enchiladas, shopping. Black Friday craziness, and
will they have me over?
Yeah.
Good.
You know what the scary part is, though? We make enchiladas and we have pecan pie.
That sounds good.
That's weird.
I like that.
Well, I mean, I guess pecan pie, I guess anything, really.
It does.
Breakfast. Oh, Lord.
Shh, we got to help that turkey. I hope we can get him parted. Bray J and Lana here with you, prepping for Black Friday, Thanksgiving, Macy's Parade, enchiladas, pecan pie, Louisiana style.
Whoop.
Let us know what you know for Thanksgiving, hashtag LA on air. And let us know where you're planning to hit up to shop. Maybe we'll be there and we can interview you. Sounds pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, Bray J and Lana, more music coming your way right here, LA on air.
Here's the single by Watchers out of Lake Charles with Clint English and Chris Brennan, The World We Live In.
Tell me all the words we're promised. myself on the evening news. From all the things we got confused.
It's darker than you can imagine when you turn off the lights. I'm not afraid, but I am trying to control the device. You think it's tragic that your eyes won't let you read in the dark. I sit and marvel at the way you just devour the art. Blowing out the lights, knocking them down the sides. Where do you think where the monsters are coming from? We're turning tables now, explain exactly how. You understand where the monsters are coming from. Lay on the floor and think about the planets way out in space. You're trying harder, but you cannot yet begin your escape. The lights are flashing, the brighter ones are starting to fade. You're on a bed, and they're starting to believe your charades. Blowing out the lions, knocking them down the sides. Where do you think that the monsters will be coming from? We're turning tables now, explain exactly how. You understand where the monsters will be coming from. They're racing, replacing what's left of you. They're racing, replacing what's left of you. He's blowing out the lights, knocking them down the sides. Where do you think that the monsters will be coming from? We're turning tables now, explain exactly how. You understand where the monsters will be coming from. They're racing, replacing what's left of you. They're racing, replacing what's left of you. Hey!
That was Watchers out of Lake Charles. The single titled The World We Live In. Chris Brennan and Clint English in their band. And following them, Band of Foxes out of New Orleans with Charade. Here it is, time for traffic right here on LA On Air. All right, we're going to go now to Commander Stevens flying high above some town or city in the state of Louisiana. Here it is now, traffic from the Helichopper on LA On Air. Commander Stevens, where are you flying over today?
Commander Stevens coming in now, reporting for LA On Air. Flying over Alexandria this morning. Masonic Circle looking pretty damn good, if I say so myself. Flying also over Metro Center Mall Shopping Center. People are shopping today, that's for sure. And as we continue to travel over the city, Monroe Street looking well.
along with Coliseum Boulevard. Everything's looking very well today in Alexandria's area. Hopefully you're commuting. I-49 is looking pretty good as well. Please be careful, though. If you're passing over the Red River, they're suggesting that you have a kayak with you, just in case. You never know. Sometimes that bridge may want to give way since you're so close to the water, rather. Well, that's all for today. Nothing's too special coming to you. Heck, I'm headed up to Shreveport. I got me some extra money, and I'm ready to have fun on the slot machines, if you catch my drift. Commander Stevens reporting for LA on Air, right here on LA on Air with Bray J. Have a good day, and God bless Louisiana.
Thank you, Commander Stevens. We appreciate that very much.
Thanks, Boo.
I don't want him to leave.
Maybe you should start paying him more.
You keep telling me that. What do you not get? It's not me. The company wants him to retire. They said it's time. Oh, man. Lana and her boo. That's traffic for you right here on LA on Air. Getting back to the music, here's Lindsay Papillon with Let Me Get That Up Out Ya on LA on Air.
Let me get that about ya. Let me get that about ya. About ya. Let me get that about ya. Yeah. Let me get that about ya. About ya. No time to wait for reparations. LB is the world's new sensation. I see what's mine, so now I'm taking. I'm about to perform a demonstration. Now I'm rocking shows and stunting on. No free t-shirts or free downloads. Against hashtags keep on faking. I demand that bread, cheese, and bacon. Let me get that about ya. Let me get that about ya. About ya. Let me get that about ya. Yeah. Let me get that about ya. About ya. I am the great one, that's no faking. I allow my light and fly Jamaican. Yeah, man. Airlines and hairlines be heartbreaking. Go ahead and smile, the whole world's waiting. Now I got my dough, let's start the show. All pretty, the front row. Against hashtags keep on faking. I demand that bread, cheese, and bacon. Let me get that about ya. Let me get that about ya. About ya. Let me get that about ya. Yeah. Let me get that about ya. About ya.
The amount tendered for my verbal services rendered has entered me into an income bracket not seen by most black kids. Your melanin is a miracle waiting to happen, and only you can activate it, whether you're studying or trapping. So let me get that about you. Shout out.
Let me get that up out of you. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out of you. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out of you.
That was Lindsay Papillon out of Lake Charles with Let Me Get That Up Out Ya.